celestial mystery unfolds. NASA's AI captures a stellar anomaly, challenging our understanding of the cosmos. In a groundbreaking discovery, NASA's advanced AI systems have detected an extraordinary event that defies conventional stellar physics. The rare spectacle, named SN 2023 ZKD, is a supernova located a staggering 730 million light-years away from Earth. But what makes this discovery so remarkable is the supernova's behavior, which has astronomers rethinking fundamental concepts about the death of massive stars and the secrets they hold. The AI-powered detection systems, utilizing machine learning algorithms, played a pivotal role in capturing this fleeting moment. The Zwicky Transient Facility's automated survey system swiftly identified the supernova just hours after its explosion, enabling rapid follow-up observations by telescopes worldwide. This prompt response was crucial, as it allowed astronomers to witness the supernova's unique characteristics before they faded into cosmic history. Here's where it gets intriguing. SN 2023 ZKD displayed an unusual brightness pattern, featuring two distinct peaks separated by approximately 240 days. This bizarre behavior, coupled with 4 years of pre-explosion stellar activity, suggests a complex interaction between a giant star and a black hole companion in a binary system. As the star and black hole drew closer, the immense gravitational pull of the black hole triggered a cataclysmic explosion, preventing the star from being fully devoured. This discovery, led by Gagliano, provides compelling evidence that the close encounters of massive stars with black holes can result in stellar explosions. The star had been shedding material for years, creating rings of gas and dust that the explosion violently interacted with. The initial brightness peak was caused by the ejecta colliding with surrounding material, while the delayed second peak was due to the impact with a denser, disk-like cloud of stellar remnants. Key findings. First confirmed supernova black hole interaction. Unprecedented double peak brightness pattern. Years of pre-explosion stellar activity captured. Real-time detection powered by AI. This revelation connects to the pioneering work of Walter Baade and Fritz Zwicky, who introduced the concept of supernova in the 1930s. Their groundbreaking research laid the foundation for understanding these cosmic explosions. However, this recent discovery marks the first confirmed instance of a supernova colliding with a black hole, pushing the boundaries of our knowledge. Gagliano emphasizes that we are entering an era where AI enables the automatic identification of rare astronomical events, allowing scientists to bridge the gap between stellar life cycles and their mysterious deaths. This breakthrough opens new avenues for exploring cosmic evolution, leaving us with more questions than answers. And this is the part most people miss. How will these findings reshape our understanding of the universe's most enigmatic phenomena?